Hello guys, my name is Dipali Ponikar. Today I'm going to start about the traffic engineering, which basically deals with the improvement of traffic performance of road networks and terminals. Before starting this lecture, I would like to tell you please subscribe this channel, like this video and share it. So, in traffic engineering, we will study about the practice of planning of design and operation of traffics. Operation of traffic, it means the terms which are associated with the traffic systems. Firstly, we will see the sections of traffic engineering, which are the major sections of traffic engineering. In this lecture, we will see about the first one. So, the first is traffic characteristics. The second one is traffic study and analysis. Third is traffic operation and regulation. We can say the control also. And the fourth one is planning and design, how to do the design and the planning of the traffic. Fifth is geometric design, which include the stopping side distance, horizontal curve, vertical curve, and overtaking side distance. All this we can say that. The administration and management, the sixth one. Traffic basically classified into two types. First is road user, and the second one is vehicular traffic. Road user, we can say like a driver, pedestrian, cycle, etc. Vehicular traffic, the second one, it means the lots of vehicle which is moving on the road. First is we can say that the car, cycle, or two wheeler, motorcycle, scooty, bus, truck, etc. So let's start with the traffic characteristics. Traffic characteristics basically of two types. First one is road user and the second one is vehicular characteristics. These two are the main and major traffic characteristics and the most important in the traffic engineering as well. So the first one is road user characteristics. Road user characteristics are of five types. First is physical characteristics, second is mental characteristics, third is psychological character factors, and fourth is environmental factor, and fifth is driver characteristics. Actually, the road users play an important role in studying of traffic engineering. The physical, mental, and psychological, these are the main road user characteristics that govern the safe operation of the vehicle on the road. We can say that. It is the most important in traffic to study the characteristics and limitation of road users also. The various factors which affect the human characteristics as a road user may be broadly classified into these five categories. So let's start with one by one. First one is physical characteristics. Physical characteristics is of two types. First is permanent and the second one is temporary also. We can say that these two are the two categories of the physical characteristics. The permanent characteristics are the vision, hearing and strength. Vision, uh, the ability to see an object, we can say it is the most important role of the driver or pedestrian, any like a human being, we can say that. The hearing, the second one is hearing. Hearing is also most important for pedestrian and cycle compared to the driver. The third one is a strength. Strength, it is the less important characteristic than the other, but the lack of strength make it difficult to park an heavy vehicle like a truck, or like a the three the buses also, we can say that. It includes in the strength. The second one, characteristics of road user, is mental characteristics. It is also important for road user, which include the skill, intelligence, experience and knowledge, and literacy also. Sometimes literacy also be required in the mental characteristics. The proper knowledge of the vehicular characteristics, driver practices, rules of road, as well as the traffic behavior is necessary for the traffic operations. The we can say that these are the mental characteristics. Let's start with the psychological factor. What are the psychological factor and what exactly the meaning? This affect the we can say this affect the reaction to the traffic situation of road users to the great extent. And this attentiveness, anger, fear, anxiety and phobia, superstition, impatience also may affect the traffic performance of a road in the road network. The fourth is environmental factor. Environmental factor includes the atmospheric condition, traffic facility, traffic stream characteristics. These are the behavior of the roads. The traffic stream can be, we can say, heavy or mixed type. First is heavy type, and the second one is mixed type, which may limits the ability to overtake. This includes in the traffic stream characteristics. Hence, the behavior of road user changes with the traffic stream also. Driver characteristics include the visual activity and reaction process. Ability to see an object, we can say the visual activity. The most important characteristics of traffic engineering is vehicular characteristics actually. Vehicular characteristics include the this two traffic static and the dynamic characteristics. Static characteristics it includes the dimension of vehicle, length, width, height, and dimension, as well as the wheelbase also, departure also, we can say turning angle, etc. So we can say that the second one is dynamic characteristics, which include the road design, speed, acceleration, power also, and braking, etc. The speed and acceleration, which basically depend on the power of engine and resistance to overcome, are the most important in all geometric element. The one more type, it is a braking characteristics. The deceleration and braking characteristics, which basically depend on the design and traffic of basic braking system. These two main dimensions I have written over here. First one is length of vehicle, which is basically of 18 meter, and the width of vehicle is 2.44 meter. Generally it is a 2.44 meter, the width of vehicle, but sometimes in some papers or some books also, which written in between 2.44 to 2.5 also. In some books it is written over there. So this all about the traffic characteristics actually. So in the coming lecture we will see about off traffic, off tracking, and this is all about today. Thank you so much guys, have a nice day.